In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install HubSpot Sales Email Extension. We're going to walk through how to get the HubSpot Sales extension set up in Gmail using Google Chrome so that you can start tracking emails, logging them to your CRM, and using HubSpot tools directly inside your inbox. First, make sure you're using the Chrome browser because this particular version of the extension is installed through the Chrome Web Store. In the address bar at the top of your browser, type Chrome Web Store and open the official Chrome Web Store page. Once you're there, look for the search box, usually on the left side or top of the page, and type HubSpot Sales. You should see the HubSpot Sales extension appear in the results. It may be called HubSpot Sales or HubSpot Sales Email Extension, and it will have the familiar HubSpot branding. Click on the extension listing to open its details page. Here you can quickly scan the description to confirm it's the official tool from HubSpot. When you're ready, click the button that says Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it, and you'll see a confirmation message once it's done. After the installation completes, look toward the top right corner of your browser, in the toolbar area where your extensions live. You should see the HubSpot sprocket icon. If you don't see it right away, click the little puzzle piece icon to open your extensions list, then pin the HubSpot extension so it's always visible. Go ahead and click the sprocket icon. A new window or tab will open, prompting you to log in. Enter your HubSpot account credentials and sign in securely. If you have access to multiple HubSpot accounts, choose the one you want to connect with your Gmail. Once you're logged in and the connection is authorized, the extension is now linked to your HubSpot account. Now head over to Gmail in the same browser. After the extension is installed and connected, refresh the Gmail page. When the page reloads, you should see the HubSpot sidebar or additional HubSpot options appear inside your inbox and when you compose a new email. From here, you can explore features like email tracking, logging, and templates directly within Gmail.